I've killed the only thing I hold dear to my heart. I've killed my Desdemona.
No. Don't feel guilty. You've done the right thing.
She won't commit any more sins now.
Father! Father! What have you done, you stupid idiot? He set you up. She didn't have an affair.
How do you know?
Because Desdemona was on to him. She found out what a backstabbing double-crosser he is. All because you passed him over for a promotion. She sent me this. She had the baby's blood tested. And it's B positive like yours. And not O negative like Cassio, so it couldn't have been...
You shut your lying mouth, boy!
We're not your little puppets anymore, Iago. And like I promised my father, you're going to pay with your life.
You ruined my life over a promotion. You, my friend, for over 30 years. You were being groomed to take office from me when I resigned. Tell me, Iago, did you set me up?
What did you expect? You're just a nigger in a white man's position. You're done for. Finished!
Don't worry, Father. Come. You can't stay here.
I will kill him with my bare hands.
Come, we have to get you out of here.
No. Go on, leave me.
I can't leave you here.
I said leave me, my wife. Go.
I told you that one day I'd see you crawl on your knees when Iago destroys you. You deserve each other.
What have I done? What have I done? I refuse to look at it. What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? Please, my Desmond, will you forgive me? I was too weak and vain to see the truth. Iago, he poisoned my mind. I know it doesn't matter now, but can you forgive me? What have I done?
What do you think you're doing?
Waiting to be raped.
We're partners, don't you trust me?
I come to collect the 50 big ones, and I can only trust you as far as I can throw you.
£50,000 right here.
Ooh. We'll not start without me. Everything's safe, boss. We're a champion, girl. Job well done, boss.
Well, ladies, what shall we drink to?
Destruction.
Whose?
Destruction. Oh, you're so full of doom, man. Let's drink to Fearless.
I have a better idea. Let's drink to being multi-millionaires.
May we drink to that?
You know, this thing was too easy.
Ladies, do you realize we have made an astonishing amount of money? We control not only the passport offices, but the ports. We can have anything we want.
So what is going to happen to the perfect black man?
Oh, I suppose he'll probably do the noble thing and kill himself.
I'm Fearless.
Who gives a shit?
You didn't love him.
Love him. Anyone can love dog like that.
You remember the day that we pull that trick upon him? See your money here. And he didn't even see it coming.
I beg to differ. He was the only one that suspected us. But enough of him. Ladies, I have another 20 British passports for you, and they're all brand new.
A nice round figure, boss?
No. That should come in handy with the shipment of cocaine we have coming in from Colombia with a street value of
5 million beauty.
Which should make us extremely rich.
Really?
What you doing here?
You, what do you want?
I only want to know one thing. Why destroy my life? Why destroy our lives? And more so, why do it with these pieces of shit?
Iago runs this operation now, and that was 3 questions, not 1.
Shut up!
You try fright me with your mouth?
How much did you hear, boy?
Everything.
How unfortunate. Well, I suppose you want me to cut you in on the action now, do you?
No way! Him not get a thing, make him go. Imagine me lay down with this and give him my pussy. We are the players and you have just been played. Hiya! Hiya! Hiya!
And where you going to fly?